Yo, good morning. Welcome back to another video. I kind of don't know what to record, so I'm gonna show you guys what I eat. I don't know, it's just chicken and rice, to be honest. You feel me? I just cut up the chicken, cut up the rice, or I cut up the rice to make chicken and rice, and yeah, we get the chugs, not the chugs. Fuck, I keep on. You feel me? I got the rice. I grow up myself. You know, today we got the strawberry thing. You feel me? We got the chicken. You know, dang, gotta get my homie bulked up. You know, I want that nigga to be jacked. So first off, we add Chick-fil-A sauce. We add the honey. A lot of people be roasting me on adding honey, but like, you don't know until you try it. You feel me? What I eat to be healthy. Yeah, but I'll eat that like twice a day and that's it. Like 2 meals a day. Why is it on 30 FPS? Are you serious? Look at what he bro. Fucking nigga had the snail in his mouth. Look at stop. 2 monologues. And Jack. Subscribe.